Hey, what's up, and welcome to the channel. This is day 2 and 3 of the 3-day snowboarding trip to Northeast Japan in Tohoku. On the first day, I messed up the ISO of my camera, so a lot of the footage on the first day is blown out, it's over white. I couldn't use a lot of it, but I was able to get a few of them out of there. Right here, I'm in the gondola with Sarah and Artpole, and the one behind us is Johnny and Hoops. When we left the ski lift, we came around the corner and we couldn't see anything. You got down and it was like 5 feet in front of you. It was all white. It was a crazy white out on this mountain. Eventually, me and John kind of gave up because we couldn't see. We don't have the best goggles. We couldn't see where we were going. And at one point, we couldn't even tell if we were moving, how fast we were going. So we just stopped off at that cabin and rested for a bit. But the weather was like this pretty much the whole day. It started to clear up towards the end of the day, but our ski passes only lasted us 8 hours. So towards the end of the day, the weather was getting better, but we were pretty much done for the day. We had to use the buddy system, so we wouldn't get separated. If one of us got separated, we didn't know where the other person went or where the rest of the group went, so we tried to stick with at least one other person while we were going down the mountain. My group is right there. Alright, last one is there. Alright, so the next day, we decided to go back to the same mountain because the other mountain, the third mountain that we planned to go to, said it was going to be raining and we didn't want to snowboard in the rain. But the visibility was much better. We could see the entire course and the entire mountain, which the previous day we couldn't see anything. Because it had snowed so much the day before, snow and the powder was so soft. This course right here, we couldn't even see the entrance. We had to stick all the way to the right until we saw it eventually, where you could see the entrance of it clearly. This is probably the only groomed tree run on this mountain.
Did you catch me going that fast? And yeah, you see that I'm going so fast in, right?
When we got to the top of the mountain right here, there were people actually hiking up to the very tippy top using their snowshoes to get to the top. I still can't believe after about a year, not even a full year, I'm able to do a mountain like this. This is an advanced mountain, and I'm able to go up and down with no problems for the most part. Usually when I see people on YouTube or wherever doing videos about snowboarding on the mountains, it's never clear weather for us. I mean, with the clear weather, you thought I would have seen that tree coming, but I'm still a beginner. This part was actually a lot steeper than it looks on camera, but it was still fun nonetheless. although this technically isn't a groomed tree run, the trees are wide enough apart that we could snowboard in and out of them with no big problems. And the snow was nice and deep and soft. So going through it was probably the best experience I've ever had snowboarding soft snow in Japan. You see that slope over in the top right hand corner? The day before, there was actually a ski competition going on over there, but the weather had gotten so bad that they had to postpone it for like a couple of hours until they could see in order to score the people with the whatever their tricks or their speed. From the very top of the mountain, you can go all the way from the very top all the way to the very, very bottom to where we parked. And that ended pretty much the trip for the day. If you like what you saw, please leave a like, comment down below, tell me how I'm doing, what you think of the video, and be sure to subscribe so you can see more content like this in the future. Content and videos coming out every Friday. Peace.